What is up, you guys? Today I will show you how to clean and lube your motorcycle chain. Before we get started, it is important to know that you need to clean and lube your front sprocket area as well. But to save time and just for the video purpose, since the process is the same, we're not going to be doing that today. So here are the things that you would need. Some kerosene in a Cool Skull spray bottle, a grunge brush but a regular toothbrush or any other brush is also fine, a chain lube, I'm using the Motul C2 but you could use any chain lube that you're comfortable with, and a clean rag cloth because you don't want to get your chain dirty again. So we begin by spraying the kerosene on the chain as well as the sprocket. Don't be afraid to use as much kerosene as you want, and don't be shy because it's completely okay to use kerosene on your chain and your sprocket. Now that your chain is nice and soaked, get your grunge brush and start scrubbing the chain, just like that. And now that your chain is nice and scrubbed, use the kerosene again and soak it, re-soak the chain. As you guys can see, the muck and grime just falling off the chain without much efforts at all. Next, after the chain is soaked up again, we need to dry the chain. So for that we need to use a clean rag and just wipe the excess kerosene from that. Be careful not to get your hand stuck in the sprocket, and always remember, never put your bike in gear, don't start it up, and don't do crazy things like that. Finally, get your chain lube and spray between the chain link and the sprocket. And here we go. And that's about it, you guys. It is as simple as that to clean and lube your chain. Hope you guys like this video. If you like it, do hit a like, share it with your friends, comment down below, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next one.